He has. Hater. Today, I'm sharing a never been seen before chapter in our home journey, the moment our design vision truly began. This was the inspiration phase. We spent a day at the Tysons Galleria with our interior designer, exploring her go-to stores for elegant luxury home furnishings. We visited Crate and Barrel, CB2, Arhaus, Restoration Hardware, and BoConcept, each one helping us to define our taste. Sculptural lines, rich textures, and bold yet warm pieces that felt like us. This stage was intentional, learning which materials spoke to us, which silhouettes felt right, and refining our vision before committing. We started at Crate and Barrel, clean, modern, very approachable. What we were looking for here were foundational pieces, neutral silhouettes, timeless shapes, and living room setups that could work as a base before adding bolder accents later. Our designer walked us through proportions, how to anchor a space with a strong piece and let everything else support it. There were a few console and dining setups we instantly connected with. They were simple, they were structured, but they were elegant. That's my designer. CB2 is where you go for bold elegance. The sculptural lightning, the black and metallic accents, the sharp lines are definitely my taste.
CB2, we can look at two things: dining table and sofa for the living room.
Okay, so let's go there.
Because
I can get distracted. I bought one of these. Actually, I bought the other one. It wasn't after you said I shouldn't buy anything. I bought it before.
can you even do an off-white? The concept of the wall stones, the lights on top of it. Like what we're doing for
This
your
is
home
really
office.
good. Yeah, I love that.
It just makes everything.
I love that. Yeah. You're talking about the coffee table. Yeah, it's really nice. That's the only thing you like in here, the table. Yeah, I think
I'm not really crazy about
the cartway and the sofa. No?
yeah, him say other place so
So
I'm putting him for say so for
There you are.
I think it's the same thing here, isn't it?
Do you guys want it in the brown or
The formal one, a rectangle.
no, something like that.
Yeah, yeah. The other area, like the informal dining, the around one.
Which one are you talking about? The formal one?
Formal one, the rectangle.
Rectangle. Let me see.
Yeah. I don't know if you want it to be a glass table.
The glass is fine.
One glass.
That's not, because before you were saying that a black table would look nice, right?
Well, we also do it. You want a black wall?
So if we do black, okay, all right, perfect. Restoration hardware is all about big, dramatic proportions. Everything is designed to stand out, which is why our designer brought us to this store. She wanted us to experience how larger pieces anchor a space and create presence without loud color. It's who? I don't know how to do budgets. Ooh, the beds. I see a nice one.
I want you guys to look at inspiration and like let me know what you like.
Okay. Efepa. We do. We do like the color and the style.
Yay! This helps me a lot.
This is very CB too.
Very skinny too.
Okay. This is nice. I like that you added a plant in my office.
Yeah.
I've never had plants. I love that.
With the frames there.
And those frames, they are gorgeous.
This is also very different.
Oh yeah, you can do that for them. What a cozy room. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Arhaus brings in that warmth and texture we both love, especially pieces that feel handcrafted or globally inspired. The wood tones, the stone, the mixing of materials. Our designer helped us see how these kinds of pieces could soften our bolder choices without losing the strong aesthetic we gravitate toward. I love it.
It will definitely complement your island.
Yeah. It's perfect. What do you think about these chairs though? The chairs are good. Yeah. Oh, I didn't like Irene Medicis, you know. It's perfect, isn't it? I love it. Yeah. It had to make sense in the look. Into basement, right? Basement, man cave, yeah. I love this. I love this for outside honeymoon. We know.
So when you utilize it outside. Yeah, definitely. If you're gonna get good chairs for outside, make sure you get a fire pit.
Okay. And the ones that like can stand like rain and stuff too, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
It's very different.
So what did you guys say about this one? Yeah, it's definitely not, but if it, we can look and walk away. We can admire it and walk away. Yeah, it's cute. Wait, so far away. It's cute. It's like two-tone. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah,
This is cute.
I'll take this too. Oh, we have a bar. Oh, we didn't know what to say.
This actually comes all the way out 19 inches.
Oh.
And it's what they call a motion unit.
Mm-hmm.
And it'll make it for a nice little bed if you've got company that wants to stay. Some people are like, I don't want company staying.
Yeah.
But it makes a nice little extra bed or
Okay.
a nice little moment of resting while you watch a movie for everybody.
So in Tanka, it would actually work perfect for the basement, or like how we were thinking. Yeah.
You can get it with or without it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome.
BoConcept is where we explored more European modern silhouettes, clean lines, and multifunctional pieces. Not necessarily the store we'd buy everything from, but a great place for layout ideas and understanding flow. This day was such an important part of shaping our home. Our designer used the strip to understand our taste, what we're drawn to, what we don't like, and the direction we'd eventually move toward. Looking back, this was the beginning of our bold and elegant aesthetic for our home. Thank you for watching, and more home and lifestyle content is coming soon. Bye, guys. Where's the bar?